So we have a audio sync now, and I don't know if you can see this. I have the Røde video mic on here, and I'm recording the audio with the Osmo Action 3, and I may do this side by side with the GoPro here and the DJI at the same time. Yeah, let's see how this works out. We do have a lot of sunlight, not a lot. It's not enough to charge my solar panel here. So earlier this morning I did a video to show how I have trouble here with my solar panel down here. Right? So now it thawed out, so it got warm enough for the water to evaporate here, for the ice. Now it should make enough electricity. And I'm going to check my phone quick here to see how much electricity it does in the moment. So let's go to the controller, right? So the controller is showing that we create 45 watts right now this minute, and we are charging with 2.3 amp. The current to the battery is 3.5 amp right now. Oh yeah, so because the battery voltage is lower than the panel voltage, so we have a 3.2 amp charge, and we are in the charge mode. So this is time for me in the moment to see if I want to save the battery from freezing. I would have to turn the lights off at night for a few days until the battery is completely recharged. With this kind of sky right now, we won't have a chance to charge the battery. That's not enough light. Let me turn around to the sun. Can you see it? There's more clouds than anything. And this 100 watt panel, you saw that, did 45. So only half than it could be. You know? Here, look at the dog. She is ready to roll. Ah, sit. Good. Down. Nice. Heel. I'm gonna hold the camera here. Heel. There you go. Yes. Oh. So, wind. We have wind. And an airplane flying by somewhere here. We can hear that. All right. So I had to put my cap on here. It's just getting too cold. And I can't zip it up more because the microphone is holding the zipper. Now I'm in a comfortable distance with my arm to hold the setup here. So I don't know if it's in focus or not on my face. You usually can see on the beard if you see blurriness or not. And if it's all sharp and crisp, then it works fine. If not, then the camera is out of focus. I do not feel that I'm at this 30 centimeter range. I don't feel like it. So now, here, if you see those trees, how is that gonna go? All right, I'm gonna walk here a little closer. And what I also had good luck with, seeing if it's in focus or not, and looking at the tree. So is the tree bark here behind me? Is that blurry or not? Further away or get closer. And I have the Rocksteady on one and the boost thing on the other. So with a lot of light, this should work fine. Right. Okay, so I do have some work to do here, and I think I going to pick up some dark stuff here from the yard. It's nice in the winter because then it's frozen and makes it a lot easier. Okay, so my another side by side. We'll see how that goes. Too bad that we don't have colors anymore because of the winter is coming. And with the winter coming, we're going to have the problems that we have no colors. We only have white and gray in the winter here in Michigan. Not many colors. Here, there's the dog again. She always wants to play. Right, so I'm gonna check quick again how far can I walk away from the camera with the audio here. Should be good here. Obviously a few problems there with connecting the Osmo Action 3 to my Røde Wireless mic. You know, there's like an adapter cable needed. And but I think it works now, so I can give a quick shout out to Steve WB, who was working on this. He found one that worked with his camera, so I got the same one. All right, so I got a phone call here, so I have to get this